Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Niki for those of you who don't know me, and I show you how to make easy recipes, simple recipes, where I try and cut down things like sugar and fats and that sort of thing. So yeah, I try and do things simpler. Why get complicated when we don't even have time to do complicated stuff, except for now with we all at home. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make brownies. A really simple and easy recipe. No need to melt chocolate. If you feel like making brownies and you don't have chocolate to melt, you have cocoa powder and you can make this recipe. So please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos, and let's get started on this recipe.
Cocoa powder, flour, sugar, salt, coffee powder, instant coffee powder, which is optional, and chocolate chips, which is optional, vanilla paste or essence, melted butter, and eggs. Spray your 20 centimeter square tin with non-stick spray, and then place your wax paper, I do it like this, and fold in the corners, all the sides. Now in your mixing bowl, crack in 2 eggs, and yes, always clean your counter as you go. Now add in the sugar, whisk that well. I whisked it for about a minute, 2 minutes, until you see it change a little bit in color, a bit lighter. Now pour in the melted butter. Give that a good whisk, and then add in your vanilla paste or vanilla essence. I love using vanilla paste, just it has much more flavor. So give that a whisk. And now sift in the flour and the cocoa powder, and the salt. Now add in the coffee granules and slowly fold in the mixture. It is a very thick mixture. That's why it's better to use a spatula to fold in the mixture. Now place it in your square tin. Get all the goodness out of your bowl. We don't want anything going to waste. And spread out your mixture well. And now sprinkle on top the chocolate chips. Here I used about 25 grams of chocolate chips. So place it in the oven and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Sorry, I did do this on a Sunday and was in my gown. Once it is cooked, insert a toothpick and it should have a few crumbs on it, and let it cool, and you can cut it up into squares. I use our barbecue lifter for this, as it cuts straight. That's how I feel. So cut as you desire. I normally cut it into 9 squares. And then dish it up or serve it on a nice tray. You can have it as is or even serve it with ice cream. It's really up to you. Yum.
So there you have it, the simple, easy brownie recipe. I mean, oh guys, yum, just yum. That's all I can say. It's super moist inside, and the chocolate chips on top just make it extra chocolatey, you know, especially for the chocoholics out there like me. If you don't have chocolate chips, you don't need to put them on. I just had them and just decided to sprinkle them on top, so that's what I did. Be creative. You can put nuts, you can put anything you want. Also with this recipe, I do have the cream cheese that goes on top as well, but that I can show you another time, or link that recipe down below as well with the brownie recipe. So please guys, enjoy doing this recipe and stay safe at home. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!